welcome back to Once Upon DIY. If you're wondering what that rippling is, it is these that we have made in one of my videos. If you have not seen it, go check it out. But I'm doing a painting today. It might be a little boring for some of you, but for me, I personally like watching it go from a blank piece of paper to a beautiful masterpiece. So I hope you enjoy it too. Hello, Once Upon DIYers. Here's the finished product. I know it's kind of simple, you know, tree, sun, sky, whatever. I was kind of inspired by Alice in Wonderland, you know, sitting there reading the book. But this is not Alice. This is not Alice. This is my version of Alice. You know, just sitting there reading the book. I don't know. It's just kind of in solitude. I don't know the inspiration behind it. I just kind of sat down and was like, here, I have an idea. Let's do this. But I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more painting videos. I know all of you enjoyed the last one, but where did it go? Make sure you enter to win the Art 101 How to Draw / Sketch and the Acrylic Painting Guide. All you have to do is either subscribe, but in order for me to see that, you have to be able to allow me. You have to allow me to see your name and stuff so I can contact you. Otherwise, it just says that I'm a subscriber. So you can just email me. You can email me at onceupondiy@gmail.com. But thank you for watching this video.